Kuhitukira ceceni cia mwanya cia iganda cia EPZs iria ithiete na mbere guthondekwo ni thirikari, riu aigithia no mathiete na mbere na kwigeta wonjoria na njira nene. Kiganda-ini kia uthondeki wa nguo kia MAS mwena wa Athi River kaunti-ini ya Machakos nikuo riu mithemba iri ngumo ya nguo irathondekwo kwa muhiano nguo cia Calvin Klein na Tommy Hilfiger iria ni kambuni cia bururi wa Amerika.
This factory was officially opened in 2020, in March 2020, and so far has employed 2,000 Kenyans and has plans to extend and double its capacity, actually triple.
Kurigana na Minister wa iganda Mwena cikaro cia EPZ nicio riu gitumiro kia umithio kuri a Kenya.
In addition, this company is also sourcing from local suppliers. Their zips, for instance, their packaging, their food that they provide for their employees is also sourced.
100% we are doing export market here. Our strategy is making garments in using Kenyan talents to export markets. When we come to the locals markets, we have to discuss with another strategy.
Joyce Wajiru ni umwe wa mbeu njithi aria magunekete na mweke wa wira agitariria bata wa mbeu njithi kuhimbiria wira wa moko.
Kambuni teno ne guteithiriria mbeu njithi na kumahe mawira tondu tio kambuni ino haha marenda gukorwo nayo, marenda gukorwo na makiria na kambuni ingi na haha thutha.
Gukinyiria riu kambuni cia EPZ ciandikite wira Kenya 60,000.
Tatha ici me andu 2,000 o mbeu njithi peke yake. Riu na marauga mwaka ucio ungi marenda ku expand no makinyie 7,000. Norona riu 7,000 ya yuthi kwandikwo ni guteithia biu.
Urimi wa kahua onaguo ni utanyitwo kuhurwo jeki thutha wa kambuni ya gucina kahua kwambiriria uruti wa wira guku EPZ ya Athi River. Aritajire mwe ya gutigirira ati ya Kenya ni mona mieke ya mawira udumwe na gukuria tonga wa bururi. Riu thirikari kuhitukira ministry ya iganda nera ni kunyitanira na cikaro cia mwanya kana EPZ ni gutigirira ati a Kenya ni mona mieke ya mawira udumwe na bururi wimathiire utonga wa kuigana. Hadi ni Kameme TV kuma mwena wa Athi River kaunti ya Machakos.